Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making a baby pink and white themed birthday cake for my church's January birthday celebration. Stick and stay with me as we decorate this beauty you are seeing here. These are the ingredients we are using for today's baby pink and white themed birthday cake. So we have 3 6-inch vanilla cake layers, my perfect American buttercream frosting. We also have my homemade pink fondants. We have some milk and vanilla syrup and pink gel food coloring, as well as some white chocolate which will be melting very soon. These are the tools that we'll be using. We have our turntable, the cake board, skewers, scrapers, the serrated knife, food gloves, tissue, the fondant mat and rod, among others. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. We'll begin by assembling the cake layers. So we'll clean the board, add some frosting to it, and then we place on the first cake layer. We'll add the syrup to it, we'll add some frosting, and then we'll alternate till we get this after it has been crumb coated, trimmed, and all the stuff that is needed. Now we'll add the final coat of frosting after removing the frozen cake, and we'll do this from the top all the way down. So we are working our way from the top to the bottom. After that is done, we'll smoothen it out and then we'll set aside. Next, we'll pick up the chocolate, place it onto our chopping board, and then we'll slice it into thin pieces, pour it into the aluminium bowl or the metallic bowl, and then we place it over our boiling water. We are using the double boiler method. This method is done with the metallic bowl or maybe a glass mixing bowl on top of boiling water, and the bowl is not supposed to touch the hot boiling water, so the water is less and then the bowl is being placed on it and the process is done with steam or how hot it gets. So we'll melt the chocolate and then we'll fill our silicone chocolate mold. We'll also add some pink color to some of the white chocolate to create a variation, and then we'll freeze it for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, we are going to add pink frosting to the bottom and the top bit of the cake. We'll smoothen it out nicely to look as beautiful as this, and then we work on the top by leveling it nicely. Before we get into the next aspect of the decoration, please my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There is nothing being charged for just subscribing and joining this delicious and amazing team every single day on your screens. Please subscribe and I promise you are going to enjoy it. Now we'll pick up the fondant cutouts and then we'll lay them nicely on the bottom of the cake. Then we'll use the rest of the pink frosting and then our 1M piping tip, and then we'll make nice swirls on top. We'll remove our chocolate from the freezer and then we'll mold it and place it into each swirl. After that is done, we are going to place the side topper on it, and this is how our baby pink and white chocolate birthday cake looks like. So we are going to package it as per usual for delivery to church with the transparent cake box, the lid, and then our gold ribbon. We also add some solution tapes on the edges so that as we transport it, the box doesn't remove or get displaced or shifts or anything like that. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.